Hey John, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We spoke on the phone earlier about shooting this video over to you, and basically I'm just going to break down some tips and tricks onto how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence right in this new digital world. A lot of your competition is kind of taking on this new model, right, on using some Google ads, things like that. So I'm just going to show you how to dominate them in your area, especially in Waco. It seems like you do have a lot of competition there. So there's three things that I'm going to talk to you about today. Okay, John? So the first thing is going to be content. The second thing is going to be backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. And you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And honestly, there's a lot of roofing contractors and a lot of owners of roofing companies that are just simply, too busy, doing the work, right? The hard labor. And they honestly don't know, right, who an expert is and who isn't, right, in this area. And they're too busy to know how the internet can bring them even more work, right? Even more leads, things like that. So I'm just going to break this down for you, okay? Now, first things first, I was kind of messing around with your website here, kind of fiddling around, pressing some buttons here and there. And it was really easy to maneuver. I do like seeing your crew in these photos. Kind of builds a sense of trust, and I really appreciate that. Now, when I'm clicking these videos and these photos, and I'm saving as, you can see that this is just a whole bunch of numbers. Google counts these as words as well, right? So, and even keywords. So, if you wanted to just kind of change this one up, right, and save them again under roofing in Waco, things like that, and Google would count those towards your content, right? So, if I were to highlight all of your content here and just kind of put it in my word counter so that you can see, I want to see how many words you're at, right? All right, you're at 353. Now, Google thinks or knows that an authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay? Now, they also want to see relevant keywords, right, associated with what you do. So, as I was saying earlier, putting keywords in like roofers in Waco, Texas, right? Or roofing Waco, Texas. And it could be easily done, right? Just putting things like, the roofing company in Waco, Texas that you trust, right? So roofing company in Waco is right there for you, okay? So that's just kind of an example, all right? And that would help boost your visibility and help Google find you even more. So the second thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. All right, so I went on ahead and typed in your URL here in my tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, right? Considering I am in the industry, it kind of pulls back the curtain just to show me exactly what's going on in the background of your website. Breaks down some stats and some analytics, things like that. But there are some other tools out there that you can use that are completely free, right? There's some all you would have to do is just type in like backlink checker for free, things like that, and you can see basically what I'm seeing here, okay? Now, according to my tool here, you have 29 referring domains, and basically what that means is that you have 29 other websites that are linking to you, and then you have the backlinks means that they're doing so 63 times. So these 29 websites are linking to you 63 times, okay? Now, you have 72 keywords on your page, or on your entire website, I should say. You have 3 people roughly on average visiting your website per month, okay? That's giving you $18 in traffic value. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competition in Waco. And it's these guys over here, Manuel Chavez. They were the first ones on Google, okay? Now, they have 36 referring domains. Which meaning that they have 36 different websites that are linking to them, and they're doing so 303 times, okay? They have 66 people visiting their website per month on average, and it's bringing them a total of $177 worth of traffic value, okay? Now, the good thing about this, John, is that if these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you. They're good enough to put you at the top, so that to ensure that you're receiving all of the calls, to ensure that you're getting most of the jobs, right? Considering that you're able to close on them. But I do have to tell you that not all backlinks are created equal, okay? So they probably have some links in here that are probably not good, right? They're probably garbage links, if I'm completely honest with you, because Google knows that you're not a restaurant. Google knows that you're not a Pizza Hut or anything like that, right? So they want to ensure that there are other roofing companies or roofing blogs or roofing forums, things like that are pushing traffic to your website. Basically, it builds power and builds trust. And considering that it's relevant, right, to what you do, so Google is essentially a popularity contest, right? They want to see other relevant, trustworthy websites that are vouching for you, essentially. Okay. Now, lastly, the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your business name, your address, and your phone number to be found in a directory. Now, a directory can be, let's just say, you've got Yelp. You've got Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages. You've got Angie's List. Off the top of my head, those are 5 different directories, okay? Now, as long as your business can be found in all those different directories and then some, right, those that are local to Waco, then you would be ranked up here in the map pack. Okay, now this is what Honey's Roofing is doing very well, right? So say if they had anywhere between 75 and 100 different citations, well then you would want to one-up them, right? Anywhere between 150 to 200, just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this top spot here in the map pack. And if I'm honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? This is where people go to have their questions answered. I don't know if you're like me, but I don't go down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I usually trust the map pack and I click, most of the time I click the first business that's here because it answers my question, right? If I'm looking for a repair, if I'm looking for a plumber, if I'm looking for a roofer, things like that, I usually go to the first one here, right? Now, with that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here, okay? So you have 2 options. Obviously, the first one is to take all this information. Some people call me back after watching this video. Some people don't, and that's completely fine, okay? You can take all this information and utilize it yourself, apply it to your website, apply it to your business, increasing the amount of words you have on your website, increasing the amount of backlinks and citations, right? Just doing the research and ensuring that you're getting the quality ones from your competitors. And then just kind of doing it all yourself, right? But if you're like some of my other clients that reach back out to me and say, you know what, Jesus, I do need some help in this area. I would definitely like some guidance, right, of some sort. Well, then you could definitely reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you, John. If there's anything that I can that I can give to you or anything like that, reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you. John, thank you so much again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps. Have a good day.